We're just going to go for a little hike. Give you a little view of where we are. Send you back out. Better lock my car. This is not much time 33 outdoors. See how the vegetation's already starting to grow really high. Doesn't take long in the spring and the nice warm weather after all the rains. I scared a few geese off when I came in. Well, there's my dog, Snickers. She decided it's time for a drink. Instead of staying out on the shore, she goes right in to have a drink. I'm sure a lot of people know about that. Beautiful day. The bugs are starting to come out, but I don't have anything biting me, so I don't care. Butterflies, I hope you got to see the butterflies. It's nice to see butterflies flying together. Turn you into the sun for just a sec. There's the trailhead. Somebody else is out here. I might come across them. Watch your eyes, the sun. Okay, let's go. Well, Snickers, Shadow Dog, here we go. You want to eat grass, eh? This has sure changed, hey, Snickers? Remember how high the water was here? One of my favorite things to do is to look for fish in the water on clear days. Sometimes you get lucky. Got some tall pines up there. Give you a view by blocking the sun with this tree. We'll continue. Lots of stuff on the ground here. Well, I'll be back again with another short episode on this little walk we're taking today. Thanks for being here. This is Not Much Time 33 outdoors. If you can, get outdoors. Especially during the spring, there's no bugs. Vegetation is low and your seeing in the forest is a lot better. But wherever you are, go prepared. Don't go unprepared. Look up how to prepare to go for a hike. Take care.